Hey folks, here's another accessory video for my Westinghouse 12000DF. What I have here is a MicroAir EasyStart soft start kit, and what this kit does is it hooks up to my HVAC system, and it reduces the starting amperage on my compressor. By doing so, this will allow me to run my AC unit without worries while using my portable generator. And this particular one is for my 3-ton unit. I also have one for my 5, which I haven't hooked up yet, as you can see. But on my 3-ton unit, prior to installing the kit, my starting amperage on my compressor for this 3-ton was over 70 amps. After installing the kit, it reduced it down to about 25 starting amps. So that is a real game changer as far as being able to run your AC unit as well as everything else with the portable generator. And installation on this kit is fairly simple. There's 4 wires. You hook it up to your capacitor, and then you hook it up to your contactor as well. Then it also has a Bluetooth functionality, so where you can download their app and then track the amperage that your AC unit is requiring for startup and while running. So I hope this video helps, and thanks again folks for watching.